cough that lingered, use honey for your child mid-cough. Once your toddler caught a cold, the cough lingered. Just have a teaspoon of warm honey, that is, put a teaspoon of honey in warm water, then give them to drink. This will salt their throat and nerves. Note, honey is given to children from 12 months and above. Do not give honey to children from 10 months below. I hope this tip is helpful. Please follow for more tips like this, and kindly comment at the comment section if you have any questions, and I will be right there to answer your questions. Thank you.